Hi intentionals, and welcome back to my channel. To my new subscribers, I am very grateful. Welcome to the family, and to my OGs, you know what it is? Thank you. You guys are the real MVP. All right, thank you for making this place what it is. There is no this place without you. So today I'm going to show you how to make this barbecue fish yourself. All right, you know what it is: either you save money or you make money. So let me walk you through the things we'll be needing for this beautiful and sweet barbecue fish. I have my pepper mix. In this pepper mix, I have shombo, tatashe. Some people call it bell pepper. Whatever it is you call it in your area is fine. Onion, garlic, ginger, and habanero pepper. Then I blend them. You can rough blend them. You can blend them to smooth. You can even pound it if you don't have blender or there is no light the time you want to get it done. All right, just get it smooth. Then in your pan, heat up some vegetable oil. I'm using sunflower oil. We can make use of any oil of your choice. All right, then turn in your pepper mix into it. Add in your salt, your cubes, then fish spice. All right, this is one thing that you must add because we are doing barbecue fish, so you have to add any fish spice of your choice. All right, it's not a must that you must use the brand I'm using, so do well to do with the brand you love. And if you know how to do it yourself, why not do it yourself? Now on a different bowl, I had to add in curry powder, same fish powder, fish spice, then 2 tablespoons of soya spice. All right, this is a game changer. Sorry. And mind you, behind camera, I added a tablespoon of curry into our pepper sauce and a tablespoon of soya spice as well. Sorry, I didn't intend putting it before, but I was like, okay, let me give this a different feelings and see how it came out. But honestly, it came out so well. All right, now I had to go in with my spices. All right, first these are the first set I'm going to do. Spread it on your fish, like be generous with it. Even if you are stingy, not on this one. All right, this incision that you are seeing on the body of this fish was done where I bought it. So if you buy the one that they didn't cut, you have to cut them like this so that you'll be able to put in your spices so well. Like I said, be generous. All right, because it's when it's very sweet. It's when you spice it so well that it will come out being so sweet. Don't forget, the mission, the aim is to save money or to make money. Now our pepper sauce is ready. Another time to be very generous to your fish. Be very generous. Make sure that it gets so in. Some you might think that it's too peppery. No, it's not too peppery. All right, but then if you think, okay, you can choose to do it, but then make your sauce to make your fish to marry your sauce so well. All right, or make the sauce to marry your fish so well. Either ways is fine, but then the summary of it is be generous with your sauce. Okay. When your fish and the pepper sauce have really understood themselves so well, you foil it, you cover it so well. Definitely you have need for foil at this time. So I found out that one of the chuku on the fish has stored the foil. I had to add extra foil so that our sauce will not be dripping off. All right, now I'm being very careful because this is graving already, so I had to cover it very well and take it to my preheated oven. When I was doing this, my oven was already preheated. All right, so I had to put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Here are the veggies I'm going to use to do justice to it. So after 45 minutes, I had to bring it out, all right, because I needed to do another justice to this, and this is also a game changer. Yeah, you can skip this if you don't want, but then if you want it, please do. And it's the test, it enhances the test, and it came out so well. So I had to sprinkle some fresh lemon, sweet lemon in it. All right, so when I'm done with this, I took it back to the oven to allow it cook again, so that the lemon will get into it for 10 minutes. Then this is it. So you see that it's not difficult to make, and you can save money. You can do business with this. Remember, it's either you save money or you make money. So if you like this content and you found value and you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you going to try this? Have you tried that before? How did it come out? All right, so this is how it went, and voila, this is the end of my story. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.